On the 19th of March 2021, Paultons Park is planning to open a new area called Tornado Springs. This new expansion will feature plenty of new rides and attractions, including a brand new coaster. For the latest on this project, make sure you watch this entire video to see what's being built. My name is Luke from Coaster Connection, and I hope you enjoy this construction update. If you do enjoy this video at any point, then please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any future videos on the channel. In my previous updates, I've gone through each of the various rides individually over the entire video. Today's update is going to be slightly different, as I'll just be doing a short introduction at the start, and then I'll be showing the footage over some music. The simple reason why I'm doing this is because the area is pretty much finished, with just the small details left to add. Some of the main changes since my last visit is that the construction fences are now down. Tornado Spring blends in really nicely into its surroundings and has a very impressive entrance area. The only thing left to do in this section is to add some road markings on the paths, which will help sell the idea that you're walking down Route 83. With the walls now down, we can also get a better view at the Rio Grande train, which will be reopening with a new area. The entire train has been completely repainted, which now better fits the aesthetic of Tornado Springs. A great bit of theming has been added next to the train station with a brand new water tower. This actually features a really neat water effect that flows into the cart below, but unfortunately it wasn't testing on my visit. With that being said, here's the rest of the footage I captured of Tornado Springs at Paultons Park.